Good morning, students. Wish you all very happy new year. Today we study chapter 19, that is calendar. In this chapter we study day of the week, month of the year, ordinary and leap year. Now we study day of the week. We know that there are 7 days in a week. A week starts with Monday and end with Sunday. Same cycle goes on repeated, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Cycle goes on repeated. That the same day comes after 7 days. Next topic, month of the year. We write here all 12 months. There are 12 months in a year. We write month and number of days in this month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. In January month, 31 days and February 28 and 29 days. In March month, 31 days and April 30 days. In May month, 31 days and June month, 30 days. As July and August, 31 days and in September month, 30 days. October and December have 31 days and in November, 30 days. Next, ordinary and leap year. And what is leap year? Century. The year divisible by 100 is called a century. Example, 1800, 1900, 2000 and 2100. What is leap year? Leap year. The year other than a century divisible by 4 as well as century divisible by 400 is called a leap year. For example of leap year, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2016 and 2020. Now ordinary year, year which is not a leap year is called an ordinary year. Each one in 1991, 1995, 1997, 2010 and 2013. That is not a leap year. That is ordinary year. February of a leap year has 29 days. In February, 29 days leap. Why need for leap year? The earth takes nearly 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution round the sun. For the sake of convenience, the year is rounded off as 365 days. The leftover 6 hours are accumulated and added after every 4 years. 6 into 4 is equals to 24 hours or 24 hours is equals to 1 day. In the month of February, thus a leap year occurs once in 4 years. Next topic, how to write dates. When we write a date for a particular day in a year, we specify the number of the days in a month, the name of the month and then the year, like 1st January 2016 or we write also January 1st 2016. In short, we write a date as a group of 3 numbers separated by 2 dots. The first number stands for the day and second number for the month and third is year, like day 12, month 12 and year 2020. We written in short form like this. Let's start exercise 68. Question number 3. Which of the following are leap years? In 1990, the year other than a century divisible by 4 as well as century divisible by 400 is a leap year. In 1919 is not a century. So it will be divided by 4. If we divide it by 4, 1990, then we get remainder 2. That's why year 1919 is not a divisible by 4. It is not a leap year. Now question number 2, 2000. 2000 is a century year, so it will be divided by 400. 2000 is divisible by 400. That's why it is a leap year. It divided by 400, and that's why it is leap year. Next question, question number 7. In certain year on 3rd December, it was Sunday. On what other dates of that month does Sunday fall? Now we solve this question. I already told you the same day comes after 7 days. 3rd of December, Sunday. 3 plus 7 means 10. 10th of December, again Sunday. I already told you same day comes after 7 days. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 December, Sunday. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 December, Sunday. And 24 plus 7, 31. Then 31st of December, Sunday. Then dates are 3, 10, 17, 24 and 31st of December are Sunday. Next question number 9. How many days are there from 19th June to 7th July? Solution. 19th June to 7th July. Days in June. In June, 30 days. That's why here 19th June. That's why 30 minus 18 is equals to 12. And days in July. Here days in 7th and 7 days in July 7. We add 12 and 7, we get 19, and there are 19 days in this month. Next question, question number 17, that is Rajan took medical leave for 48 days from 13th August onward. When did he rejoin his duty? Now solution. Medical leave started on 13th August. When it start? 13th August. And how many days? 48 days from 13th August. 13th August to 31 August plus 1st of September to 29 September. Then how many days? 19 days. And 1st September to 29 September, 29 days. We add the 48 days. Then he joined on 30th September.